Dental hygiene is something that a lot of people take for granted. They don't realize how important it is to your overall health. It would be very beneficial for students to come in, but a lot of people don't even know that this program exists on campus.
A department in the UNM School of Medicine, the dental hygiene program is meeting the needs of students while serving New Mexicans with low-cost dental cleanings, sealants, x-rays, and oral cancer screenings.
Our appointments are lengthier because it's an educational setting, but most of our patients really enjoy that because they feel like they get a better, thorough cleaning because they have the students there and then they have the instructors multiple times and they get final checks before they leave.
By learning literally in the mouths of our diverse community, students prepare for real-world settings after graduation.
It's a great experience for the patient and the student because the student's able to learn on a variety of patients, and that comes from the communities, and that's very appreciative. If you're the patient coming in from the community, you're just impacting and making their education even more valuable and giving them the opportunity to finish those requirements and then to ultimately finish their career and graduate. So if we don't have the patients, they can't do that.
Oral health isn't just for those with insurance. UNM is working to ensure it's available to all New Mexicans.
Whoever does see this, they should really take advantage of the services that we have and not just set it aside for another time. Like, we're here and we're willing to accept literally anyone